Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, everyone. So let's begin our lab session for today. The beginning, let me share the attendance link there. I just shared the attendance links in the chat room. All right, so I hope you already download lab number 3. I just upload lab number 3 this afternoon on Kalam. So if you haven't downloaded yet, please go to Kalam right now and download lab number 3. It's located in the material section. So what are we going to do for today is you are going to write a vehicle apps code, all right? So it's the main things that you are going to learn is you have to know that in Java, when you use OOP, you must have separate class, all right? You will have main class and you will also have the other class that will have all the information. Okay, I will explain details on that. So now I'm going to start sharing my screen and I will explain to you and show you the example for the lab exercise for today. Okay, so this is the exercise for today. So, oh, sorry, I haven't added. It's supposed to be lab 3. So the task for today is to create a new Java project in IDE and write a class. As we learned already for the last few weeks, I'm pretty sure that all of you already know how to create a project using IDE, right? So you have to create a new project and then name the project as vehicle app. And then inside that project, you have to create a new class named as vehicle. All right, so first let's go through what's going to be included in the vehicle, in the main class. So here in the main class, your program should first create an object and then apply the methods that I will explain in the vehicle class, and then show the type of transmission and powertrain. So this is going to be our expected output for today's exercise. All right, so this was going to be included in the main class. So as said in the question here, inside the project, add a new class named vehicle. So in this vehicle class, actually you will include all the information. You will add your setter and getter as we learned in the lecture in this class. The informations about the object, which is the object here is the car, will be included in this vehicle class. This is the main class and this is the vehicle class. So you will have 2 Java programs. All right. So in your vehicle class, you have to include these 4 types of data field. First, the type of the vehicle, okay, such as car, SUV, MPV, or lorry. It's up to you. You can set it. Transmission, the transmission, either manual or automatic. And then the powertrain, either electric or hybrid. And then speed. Okay, speed will be defined based on the value that we're going to set. All right, in this class also, you will create an instructor, a constructor, and then you will also set the speed of the vehicle going to be 60 kilometers per hour. And then you have to create two methods. One is accelerate and one is brake. For accelerate, you have to do summation, okay, the speed plus 10, and then for brake, you have to do subtraction, which is speed minus 5. And then you have to create the accessor and mutator. Okay, now I will show you the sample code. All right, so you don't have to follow this sample code. You can write the way that you want to write. All I want to see is you must have two Java programs that have separate the main class and the vehicle class. And then I want to see a correct output. All right. So this is the example as I mentioned earlier. All right. When you create a project, right? So when you create a project, and then here you name your project as vehicle apps. Okay, once you create your vehicle apps project, here you have to create the object. What is the object in this exercise? It is the car. Okay, here how I define my object. Vehicle car equal to new vehicle. And then my car gonna be car, or you can change whatever here, MPV, SUV, whatever you want, manual and electric. So as stated in these questions, right? In the main class, the program should create an object. Okay, done, create an object. And then you have to apply accelerate and brake methods, and then show the vehicle types, transmission and powertrain. So here, when you call the accelerate and brake methods from the vehicle class, how are you going to create your own vehicle class? Okay, so remember, this is the main class. How to create a vehicle class, the additional class. Okay, so you go here, and then you create new file. Okay, go here, and then new file. Okay, it will show you your project right now is vehicle apps. All right, and then you are going to create a new Java class. Create a new Java class, click next, and then name your class name here. You can name as vehicle, and then it will create you a new class. Right, it's gonna look like this one, public class vehicle. And then inside this class, you have to include all the information that you are going to call from the main class. All right, so here you have to declare the data type. Okay, here I declare the transmission type, transmission and powertrain as string, and then I declared speed as integer. And then here how I do the accelerate method, here how I do the brake method, and then this is how I do the accessor and mutator, how the vehicle at main class can call. Like here, if you see car.getSped, which is the get speed, where it called this from this class. So get speed, get powertrain, get type, get transmission. Okay, and then when you run the code, when you run this main, it will call the vehicle class. Okay, when I run the code, it will show you the current speed is 70, and then the accelerate, the car is going at 70, and then when you brake, the current speed reduced to 65, and then it shows the electric car with manual transmission. So I want you to do this, create then have this output, and then submit to me on Kalam by the end of today. So if you have any questions, questions related to this exercise, you can text me privately and I will explain to you if you don't understand. Do you have any question right now?